Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lala Arsela Metesiana. I will explain about some things related to the meaning of the word as follows. Number 1, Lebaran. 1.1, Lebaran is day for Muslims around the world. 1.2, Lebaran in 1 year is held 2 times, namely Lebaran Al-Fitr and Lebaran Al-Adha. 1.3, Lebaran is a moment of a happy day. 1.4, Lebaran time together with big family. 1.5, Lebaran Al-Fitr is the right time to apologize. 1.6, Lebaran Al-Fitr usually people from cities who will return to their hometown, pulang kampung, mudik. 1.7, Lebaran Al-Fitr is usually a long holiday season for workers and school children. Number 2, sate. 2.1, sate is one of the favorite foods of Indonesian and foreign people. 2.2, sate is the second most delicious Indonesian food in the world according to research. 2.3, sate in Indonesia has various names and space. Each region has its own characteristic, like in Malaysia, Thailand, and Singapore there are also foods like satay. 2.4, satay is one of the favorite foods of former US President Barack Obama every time he visits Indonesia. 2.5, satay can usually be eaten with lontong and peanut sauce or ketchup sauce. 2.6, satay lilit, one which comes from Bali, Indonesia, which is much favorite by tourists. 2.7, satay in Indonesia is cooked by burning asin coal. Number 3, Borobudur. 3.1, Borobudur is one of the largest Buddha temples in the world. 3.2, Borobudur is included in the 7 wonders of the world on the UNESCO site. 3.3, Borobudur is a tourist spot located in the Magelang area, Central Java, Indonesia, which is composite of rocks that describe many meanings in life. 3.4, Borobudur is one of the most visited tourist destination by foreign tourists. 3.5, Borobudur is rich in history that will add insight to tourists. 3.6, Borobudur has always been a tourist spot promoted by Indonesia to be introduced abroad. Number 4, Indonesia. 4.1, Indonesia is a beautiful country on earth where there are many amazing wonders of the world. 4.2, Indonesia is known as a paradise land which has many islands and a lot of life. Indonesia has a vast expanse of beach, forests, and mountains, all types. Or variants of beautiful and rare plants, animals are found in Indonesia. 4.3, Indonesia for the welfare of people's life and to attract foreign tourists, there are many sophisticated infrastructure and technology to reach the future. 4.4, Indonesia is a unique country that is rich in food, tribal customs, and cultures that make foreign tourists want to visit Indonesia. 4.5, Indonesia is famous for the islands of Bali, which is visited by many tourists and head of state such as King Salman Al Saud and his family and entourage. Number 5, TikTok. 5.1, TikTok is one of the modern apps 5.2 TikTok is in great demand by all people as a means of entertainment. 5.3 TikTok can provide us full benefits such as selling and for any promotion. 5.4 TikTok provides benefits to increase knowledge and creativity. 5.5 TikTok is a social media to get to know many people without any restriction. 5.6 TikTok can be a useful learning tool. Number 6 meatball. 6.1 meatballs are meat-based foods that are suitable for all circles. 6. Meatballs are usually served with soup or as a food topping. 6.3 meatballs are a common food in Indonesia. Usually there are lots of meatball sellers around and it's very easy to buy them. 6.4 meatballs that are quite famous in Indonesia, one of which is bakso rusuk Jos. 6.5 the meatballs that are currently popular and are going viral are grilled meatballs with sweet and spicy sauce. Number 7 ondel-ondel. On 7.1 ondel-ondel is Betawi art and culture. 7.2 ondel-ondel is a performing art that usually occurs at Betawi wedding and circumcisions. 7.3 ondel-ondel usually has two parts describing it as a boy and a girl. 7.4 ondel-ondel is a Betawi cultural heritage that is still preserved in modern time. Number 8 Tokyo. 8.1 Tokyo is the famous capital city of Japan. 8.2 Tokyo is a metropolitan city as a Japanese government administration traffic. 8.3 Tokyo, there are many Indonesian citizens living or as foreign students. 8.4 Tokyo is a developed city that creates a lot of advanced technology for the future. 8.5 Tokyo is one of the safe cities to visit. Crimes against tourists are very rare. 8.6 Tokyo has the Imperial Place, which is a major tourist attraction by most of the area is actually closed the public. Number 9 Astra. 9.1 Astra has more than 200 subsidiaries, associates, and jointly controlled entities. 9.2 Astra Group consists of several areas of product and service provide. For example, automotive sector PT Astra Daihatsu Motor, finance sector PT Astra Sedayu Finance E2C. 9.3 Astra has built a museum for and provides interactive technology that can further provide in-depth information about Astra Talk multimedia kiosks. 9.4 Astra also reaches out to the agribusiness sector such as PT Astra Agro Lestari with the motto prosper with the nation. 9.5 Astra also provides formal education, namely the Astra Manufacturing Polytechnic. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.